let's offer ourselves some kindness and some self-compassion. So make yourselves comfortable. Find yourself seated or standing or lying, whatever position feels most inviting for you at this moment. Either close your eyes or soften and lower your gaze. And take a few deep cleansing breaths. And allow the sound of the bowl's chime to call you to presence. To this moment, right here, right now. You might want to roll your shoulders or squeeze your shoulders, maybe shake your hands, any kind, or rotate the head, any kind of physical gesture that allows you to let go of tensions. Invite a flowing out, a letting go, a releasing of things you no longer want or need, physically, emotionally, mentally, and let it flow out with the out breath. Perhaps a few conscious deep breaths. And then draw your attention to the breath. Nothing to fix, change, or control. Simply notice that you are here breathing. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, the ground, the floor, the seat, whatever it is that's allowing you to be present. And as we pause for compassion, I invite you to bring to your heart and to your mind a loved being for whom the love and compassion is an easy relationship, unconditional love and support. It can be a pet, it can be a plant, it can be a loved person, it can be a spirit, any being for whom you feel a sense of being completely loved unconditionally, a being that supports you and for whom you love unconditionally. And really fill out this essence of this being for which you share this love. Notice the colors. Is there a familiar scent or fragrance, textures? Just really feel that warm current of energy that you share whenever you're in the presence, in your heart or physically, with this being. And we'll offer the traditional compassion, loving kindness phrases. Imagine that you can hold this being in your gaze and they're looking back at you or feeling and sensing into your presence in however way they notice you. And allow yourself to connect with that feeling of love and kindness. And notice that this being has also experienced pains and sufferings, the challenges that all beings experience going through life, difficulties. And offer kindness and compassion for those pains, those struggles, those burdens. May you be at peace and ease. May you hold this pain and suffering and struggle, whatever those difficulties or sorrows might be, with compassion, with kind and tender compassion. And then offer that there be ease around these struggles, around these difficult experiences or pains of life that all beings experience. May your struggles and pain be eased. And may your heart be at peace. And notice how easy and good it feels to offer this loved being, this sense of kindness and understanding for the challenges that life presents. And how good it feels to urge understanding and softening and peace and ease in the heart. And now imagine that this loved one is looking at you and holding you in a kind and compassionate gaze and surrounding you with unconditional love and support. Your kind being is seeing the burdens and challenges that you feel and that you're coping with right now. And this being wants to offer you compassion, kind understanding. Yes, life can be hard. And this being is genuinely wanting those burdens and troubles to be eased. May these challenges be softened, and may your heart be at peace. And allow yourself to rest in this feeling of being held in such kind compassion, understanding. Notice if there's any sense of lightening simply by being seen and understood. And allow yourself to rest in that support. And continuing to feel those sentiments of warm, compassionate understanding for any of the challenges you currently face. Imagine yourself offering that to you, as if you are your own best friend. You offering yourself unconditional love, support, and acceptance. You acknowledging, yes, life can be hard. Challenges exist. It's not always easy. And offer yourself support. May I have ease around these challenging burdens. May I understand that this is life. And then offer yourself tender, heartfelt compassion. May my heart be at ease and at peace. Perhaps bringing a soft and warm half smile to the lips. And breathing in that sense of ease, peace, and calm. Allowing it to flow from the soles of your feet, whatever supports are beneath your body, rising up and filling you. I am loved. I am supported. I am understood. It's okay. And as you continue to connect with this warm sense of kind understanding and compassion for suffering among all beings, let's close our meditation with a wish that all beings travel with love and kindness. That all beings experience compassion and understanding. That all beings experience an easing of burdens, challenges, difficulties, and have the strength to endure and face what must be faced. May all hearts be at ease and peace and calm. Allowing the sound of the chime to call you back from your meditation. Taking your time, perhaps moving your fingers or wrists, opening the eyes if the eyes have been closed, maybe enjoying a stretch, and bringing the energy back up in the body as you carry these feelings of warmth with you throughout your day. Thank you so much for sharing this time together.